Unlocking the secrets of energy conservation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an incredibly important and relevant topic: energy conservation. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, academic purposes, or to understand global issues better, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of energy conservation together. Energy conservation refers to the practice of reducing the consumption of energy. It involves using less energy to perform the same tasks or to produce the same outcomes. This can be achieved through various methods, such as improving energy efficiency, changing behaviors to reduce energy use, and adopting technologies that require less energy. The goal is to preserve resources, save money, and minimize environmental impact. Energy conservation is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in reducing greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global warming and climate change. By conserving energy, we can protect the environment and promote a healthier planet. Secondly, it saves resources for future generations, ensuring that we don't deplete the Earth's natural resources. Lastly, energy conservation is beneficial economically as it can significantly reduce energy bills and the costs associated with energy production and consumption. Conserving energy can be as simple or as involved as you make it. Here are a few strategies. Improve home insulation. Keeping your home well insulated reduces the need for heating in winter and cooling in summer. Use energy-efficient appliances. Look for appliances with high energy efficiency ratings to reduce electricity consumption. Adopt renewable energy sources. Consider using solar panels or wind turbines to generate your own clean energy. Change daily habits. Simple actions like turning off lights when not in use, unplugging devices, and using public transport can make a big difference. Energy conservation doesn't just benefit the individual or household practicing it. It has a global impact. By reducing energy demand, we can lessen the strain on our planet's resources, mitigate the effects of climate change, and create a more sustainable future for all. Every small action contributes to a larger, collective effort to protect our environment and ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Thank you for joining us today to explore the vital topic of energy conservation. Remember, every effort counts, no matter how small. By understanding and implementing energy conservation in our daily lives, we can all contribute to a more sustainable, environmentally friendly, and economically efficient world. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to take action. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the concepts and issues that affect our world today. Energy conservation is one such issue, and by learning about it, you're expanding your language skills and your global awareness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content.